Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this diagram, such that this diagonal AC is 15 units, whereas this diagonal BD is 19. And furthermore, this angle is 135 degrees. And now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our action plan. Let's recall the definition of a trapezoid. Sometimes we call it trapezium. A quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. And here in our case, this AB and CD sides are parallel. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area equals to height h times A plus B all over 2. And we can see that this AD is the height h of this trapezoid. And let me label this side length AB as X and the side length CD as Y. Then the area of this trapezoid ABCD could be written as I can write height H, and our bases this time are X plus Y all over 2. So therefore now our task is to find the value of h times x plus y divided by 2. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle DAB, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. Let me call this longest leg as our side c. I'm going to call this side lowercase a and this lowercase b. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. A in our case is x. So this becomes x square plus b is h square equal to c is 19 square. So let's simplify. That is going to give us x square plus h square equal to 361. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. And now let's focus on this another right triangle ADC. And we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle once again. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again: a square plus b square equal to c square. Let me call this longest leg as our side c. I'm going to call this side lowercase a and this lowercase b. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. A in our case is y. So this becomes y square plus b is h. So this becomes h square equal to c is 15. So this is going to become 15 square. So let's simplify. So this is going to give us y square plus h square turns out to be 225. Let me call this our equation number 2. So thus we are ended up with these two equations, equation 1 and 2. And now we are going to manipulate in order to get the area of this trapezoid value. And here's our next step. I have dropped this perpendicular CE on this line AB, as you can see over here. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle BEC. And now let's recall the straight angle property. This whole angle is 180 degrees. And we know that this angle is 135 degrees. So therefore this remaining angle has got to be 45 degrees. And we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. We know this is our 90 degree angle. This is our 45 degree angle. So therefore this angle has got to be 45 degrees. So therefore we can see that this right triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle, since these two angles are congruent. So therefore this side length CE is going to be equal to this side length EB. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this AD length is h. So therefore this CE length is going to be h as well. And since these two side lengths CE and EB are equal, if this side length is h, then this EB length is going to be h as well. And furthermore, we know that this CD length is y. So therefore, this AE length is going to be y as well. And now let's make another observation. We can see that this whole length AB is x, and this AE segment is y. So therefore, this segment EB is going to be equal to x minus y, and our EB length is h. So therefore, I can write x minus y equals to h, isn't it? Let me call this our equation number 3. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these two equations, equation 1 and 2. And now we are going to subtract this equation 2 from this equation 1. So let's go ahead and subtract. I'm going to change these signs. This become negative, negative, and negative. Let's go ahead and we can see that this h square and minus h square is gone. So we ended up with simply x square minus y square turns out to be 136. And now let's recall this famous identity, a square minus b square. The difference of two squares could be written as the product of the difference and the sum a minus b times a plus b. So therefore the left hand side could be written as x minus y times x plus y equals to 136 rather. And now let's make an observation. We can see our x minus y is same as h from this equation 3. So therefore I'm going to replace this one by h. So therefore this equation is going to become h times x plus y equal to 136. And now let's focus on this area of trapezoid equation, h times x plus y divided by 2. So therefore I am going to divide both sides by 2. And here on the right hand side, 136 divided by 2 is 68. So therefore we got h times x plus y divided by 2 turns out to be simply 68. And now let's make an observation. We know the area of a trapezoid equals to h times x plus y divided by 2, and our this value turns out to be 68. So therefore the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 68 square units. So thus the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 68 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.